Hey, what is up, my dudes? I am Katie, aka Fancy Foodie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys had a great weekend. We are starting off this Monday with day 7 of 12 Days of Christmas. I can't even believe we're almost done with this now, guys. Today's look is a fun, different one that I've never done before, so it's not a redo of any of my old looks. It's just a completely new idea, and it is a skeleton wearing a Christmas sweater, which I'm sure people have probably done, but yeah, just wanted to take a whack at that. And before we get into the video, you guys know for the giveaway you need to know what the secret Christmas sweater of the day is. So today's secret Christmas sweater of the day, in honor of me painting a skeleton today, I decided it's gonna be another Jack Skellington one. You guys know I would have multiple ones of these. Of course I would. I wouldn't just have one Jack Skellington Christmas sweater. So yeah, just a normal black and gray Jack Skellington Christmas sweater for the secret Christmas sweater of the day. So yeah, stay tuned to the end of the video to find out what today's giveaway is. And before we jump into the video, please just give this a like, please hit subscribe and turn on your notifications. You're not going to want to miss any of the giveaways coming up. So let's just get into the video. So first things first, what do we always do? We glue down the eyebrows, especially when we're doing a skull. We don't need any eyebrows with that thing. So now, while the eyebrows dry, I decided I'm just going to start painting on the sweater with the Mehron Makeup Paradise AQ palette. Lots of awesome colors to choose from. I decided to go with a blue theme to kind of go with my hair. So just started mapping out the colors, then drawing like little skulls with Santa hats, because we're doing a theme here, guys, and it's definitely skulls. So I'm just taking a darker blue and filling it in. It would have definitely been easier to just fill that in with a sponge, but you know, I decided to do the skulls first, so now I'm just drawing out the skull face and mapping everything out like I always do. Just paint it out first and then fill everything in. So we're taking the Blue Moon palette from ColourPop. Love these blue shades. I use this so much. Sticking with the blue theme, we're going to make the skull blue as well. So I just start shading with midtones first. You guys know there's lots of layers to this. I jump around a lot, so I did the midtones on the face, and now I'm doing the sweater again for some reason. I'm drawing out like the little skulls on the sweater, so that was kind of fun. And to make this sweater pattern, I actually just painted little stitches onto a sponge and then sponged it out. I felt like that would be a lot faster than painting each individual little stitch. So then I jumped back to the face, started filling in the black, and then we're going to go back in with some darker tones after. So now we're starting to shade everything a little darker, then adding the tiny details with the black face paint at the very end, and then filling in the gaps, of course. And there you guys go. I know I skipped a lot of the sweater part, but you know, I didn't want to just film everything. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. I think this was the first Christmas sweater I ever attempted to paint, so should I do more? Because it was actually really fun. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you want to see the picture of this, head on over to my Instagram. I have the picture there along with my 3 friends who I collabed with on this. So they are also skeletons with Christmas sweaters. So if you want to go see some more, go on over there. Make sure you check out my TikTok. I have a lot of fun videos there as well. And then for today's giveaway, I decided to put together a little like fun package for you guys. Okay, so first thing is these bath bombs. They are called Mood Melts. They smell so good. Like really good. Next we have some more self-care. So we have this face milk, strawberry and papaya face milk. This also smells really amazing. Next we have this shimmering dry oil. So you spray it on and it's super shimmery, then it dries down and you just are glowing after. So that's fun. And then last we have also from ColourPop this lip oil. and I love these lip oils. So nice. We got this little cute self-care package for you guys for today's giveaway. So if you want to enter to win this, just like this video, make sure you subscribe to me here on YouTube, and then comment down below what the secret Christmas sweater of the day was. Then jump on over to my Instagram, make sure you follow me on there, like today's post of the creepy skeleton with the Christmas sweater, and then comment below and tag 2 friends on that post as well. And then if you've completed all the steps, you will be included for the random pick of the winner. So you have until tomorrow, which is Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's when I'm going to close the giveaway, and then I will be announcing the winner on Wednesday. I will also have another post for day 8 and another giveaway. So if you don't win tomorrow's, then no big deal. We still have a lot left to go. All right, so just make sure you follow all the rules for the giveaway, and I will see you guys on Wednesday with a new video. Bye.